Hey, feeling thirsty? How about a cold plastic bottle of water? Still thirsty? Great. Here's 1.5 billion more. That's how many plastic bottles we consume every day. And our love affair with plastic is choking the environment. Ah, your reusable bottle. Problem solved. Just one question. Can you trust your bottle is completely safe? Studies by microbiologists found that reusable bottles are a perfect breeding ground for illness-causing bacteria, and only thorough, intense scrubbing every day can clean them properly. Not to mention, there's that musty bottle smell that never seems to go away, even after multiple washes. But don't give up. Now there's a way to get fresh, clean water without smelly bottles or polluting plastics. Introducing Auron, the self-cleaning water bottle that purifies your water in seconds. With Auron, you can carry pure water with you wherever you go, whether it comes from the faucet, fountain, mountain, or river. So, how does it work? Auron uses UVC technology to clean itself and purify your water. The 280 nanometer UV light is designed to naturally eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and contaminants in just 60 seconds. UVC cleansing is so effective that the same technology is used by hospitals around the world for sterilization. To purify your water, just fill the bottle, close the lid, and touch the button. In just 60 seconds, your water will be free from bacteria, viruses, parasites, molds, and allergens that can make you sick. Now that's pure water. Take it with you anywhere. Auron is light, spill-proof, and sweat-proof. Carry it around in your bag all day without the risk of your electronics getting wet. Auron is ultra-tough and super insulated. It's made from corrosion-resistant and rust-proof 304 steel. Did we mention Auron is for more than just water? Auron is compatible with any beverage. Its double-walled design and vacuum insulation keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. With Auron's rechargeable smart cap, you can check the temperature of your drink anytime with its built-in temperature display. Having trouble staying hydrated? Auron can be your personal hydration assistant with reminders to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Auron can remind you to hydrate yourself when you're caught in the middle of the hustle and bustle of work without drinking any water. When it's time to do the washing, Auron's extra wide opening makes it simple to clean without brushes, squeegees, and cramped hands. Auron's 100% stainless steel build also makes sure that residue and smells don't stick. And the smell? Always fresh and neutral. Never bad bottle odor, no matter what you put inside. Don't worry about downtime. Auron lasts for up to 2 months on a single charge. And Auron's lifespan is about 300,000 uses. That's 6 purifications a day for 137 years. By using Auron, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help reduce global fossil fuel consumption every sip. If you need another reason, using Auron can save you hundreds of dollars a year on water filter replacements, plastic water bottles, and cleaning materials. For a healthier you and a healthier planet, experience clean water at the touch of a button. Experience Auron.